It's the Weather Xtreme video. It's the afternoon edition for Thursday, July the 2nd. I'm James Spann. Things relatively quiet now, but in this kind of pattern, a shower storm could pop up at almost any time through the upcoming weekend. Check it out. Same pattern today. Ridge in the west, trough in the east. And you can see storms all across the deep south, but really Alabama kind of in a minimum. This afternoon, that was the radar at 236. The really heavier storms east of here over in Georgia, and even there, they're kind of north of Atlanta and south of Atlanta. But no doubt we'll maintain the chance of a developing shower or storm tonight in this type of environment. Away from the showers, we have mid to upper 80s, Birmingham 89. Now, Gadsden, that's a bogus observation. They've had all kind of issues with the sensor there. That's not correct. It's only 79 at Fort Payne. They've seen some rain today. Flash flood watches up north, parts of Kentucky and West Virginia. Still the standard slight severe weather risk for extreme North Alabama. Tonight, a marginal risk down to Montgomery. Tomorrow, much of the state in a marginal risk. And on Saturday, day 3, same thing. Marginal risk, so some of the storms could be very strong. Maybe a wet microburst or two. Had a few of those in recent days. Overall rain for the next 5 days. Heavier totals up near the Tennessee border, 4.5 inches. The bullseye there. Amounts much lighter near the Gulf Coast. Beach weather looks fine for the weekend. About 7 to 9 hours of sun each day, with a few passing storms around. And tropics very quiet. A lot of dry air. No tropical storms anytime soon in the Atlantic. All right, model fans. Here we go. The GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock local time. We still have troughing in the eastern U.S., and down below that, a soupy air mass. Pretty much the same setup. We'll mention a chance of scattered showers and storms. Be some nice breaks in the rain. The sun should be out at times. And the high in the mid to upper 80s, much like today. Chance of any one spot getting wet, about 50-50. And that's going to be the story for the weekend. This is Saturday. Sun breaks out at times. Scattered showers and storms around. And the same thing on Sunday. We can't tell you exactly when the rain starts or stops. The summer storms, as always, tend to be random and scattered. The better chance during the afternoon and evening hours. But in this northwest flow pattern, you can't rule out the chance of a late night or a morning shower or storm. And again, highs for the weekend should be mostly in the mid-80s. Monday of next week, still soupy, moist air in place. And really not a lot of change next week. Here's Tuesday. Wednesday, we just say in the same pattern each day, sun and scattered storms. And a week from today, the heights are coming up, so next week the heat level should bump up a little bit. Chance we see low 90s, but nothing excessively hot for July. And again, some risk of a scattered storm or two. Here's the end of the forecast, Sunday, July 12th. Another good trough over the east, the 594 heat well to the west, and if that's right, a surface front slices in here. There's a surface low up there near Erie, Pennsylvania, with a trailing front. So, again, the good news, no sign of any really nasty heat. Now, the ensembles are showing mid-90s. I don't know if we get that hot. I think low 90s are more like it next week. And the anomaly is July 10th through July 16th. This is suggesting above average temperatures here. But again, I don't think the heat levels are going to be too bad for this time of the year. It can be nasty. I mean, we can do triple digits very easily here in July. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.